Hi everyone, welcome back to English News Update from English Academy. Now we are standing in the middle of the Sukajadi intersections where two accidents happened yesterday. The accidents happened involved two trucks. The first in the afternoon and the next in the night. The first accident happens right and on that spot where the street is like downwarding, and also it causes by the truck because the truck has malfunctions in its brakes. So there is no time for the driver to stop the truck, and then it finally hits the back of the other trucks. And fortunately, though it is claiming the victims, which is the driver still manages to get out from the accidents and then rush into the hospitals. But when it was in the accidents, the traffic were really jammed. It's around 1 until 2 hours jammed for the traffic because of the truck is blocking the street. And now the police officer is now managing the traffic so that everyone can go through, but they are actually changing the directions of the traffic so that no one will cross the street, so the traffic can flow normally. It is still now in the process of converting the directions. Okay, now we will try to interview the police officer who is managing the street now to ask about the detail from the accidents. Okay, let's follow me. Alright, now with me is Mr. Andi from the traffic police officer. So I will ask him some questions relating to the accidents. Okay, selamat pagi Dan.
Ya, selamat pagi Pak.
Ya, bisa ceritakan kemarin kan ada kejadian truk bertabrakan di sini. Bisa kejadian kronologi dari pas sore kemarin, Pak?
Sekira pukul 17.30, kendaraan truk tronton, yang posisinya sekarang sudah di depan kita. Kemarin terjadi kecelakaan beruntun dari truk tersebut didorong oleh truk ini sehingga terjadinya mengenai rumah penduduk yang sekarang posisinya pas di depan rumah penduduk. Untuk selanjutnya kami dari Satuan Lalu Lintas melakukan rekayasa lalu lintas dengan cara sistem buka tutup dari arah Muara Enim dan dari arah Lampung. Selanjutnya sambil menunggu evakuasi kendaraan, personil lalu lintas kami standby-kan di sini mencegah terjadinya laka lagi dan kemacetan.
Okay, so that's from Mr. Andi, the officer that is in charge for these accidents. So actually the accident happened afternoon. The truck is being pushed by the other trucks into these positions, and then it hits another house of the people here, and then it is because of the malfunctions of the brakes. And then the police officer is now managing the traffic by using the open-close method of from Muara Enim, and then there will be another from the directions, so that the traffic will be smoothly runs here in intersections of Sukajadi. Jadi kira-kira ada berapa korban kemarin, Pak?
Kalau untuk korban jiwa tidak ada, jadi hanya korban material dari rumah dan kendaraan.
Okay, so there is no, actually there was no victims for death toll, actually, fortunately, but the driver was seriously injured because of the accident, and also another damaging of the people's house here because of the truck is hit by another truck, and then it hits another houses. Jadi supirnya kemarin sudah dibawa ke rumah sakit ya, Pak ya?
Untuk supir hanya luka ringan, lecet, jadi dibawa ke rumah sakit. Untuk yang lain tidak ada korban, hanya rumah penduduk. Selanjutnya sambil menunggu evakuasi kendaraan, di sini kami standby-kan personil mengingat jalur tersebut jalur padat, jalur vital, jalur lintas tengah Sumatera.
Oke. Untuk dari mobil sendiri asalnya dari mana nih Pak yang terlibat?
Menurut informasi ini ada dari arah Morenim menuju ke Lampung.
Menuju ke Lampung ya.
Okay, fortunately there is no death toll in the accident. The driver has only minor injuries due to the accidents. And as you can see now, over there, the truck is still on the spot of accident where it is hitting the people's house and is still yet to be evacuated. And the other truck also in the positions where it was happened last night.
Oh, jadi hanya satu kejadian berarti ya? Berarti yang semalam itu yang kita lihat adalah itu proses evakuasinya aja berarti ya?
Rangkainya dua kejadian.
Oh, dua kejadian.
Namun dalam waktu yang berdekatan.
Oke. Berarti yang sore memang terjadi di sini?
Sorenya terjadi di sini antara mobil ini dengan satu lagi sudah ada di kantor kita.
Oke.
Ketika mobil ini dalam posisi di badan jalan, datang mobil yang warna hijau ini dari belakang menyeruduk kendaraan yang ini sehingga kendaraan tersebut tergeser ke rumah penduduk ini dan kendaraan tersebut posisinya di sini.
I see.
So actually yes, as I told you, the accident happened twice. The first is when this truck hit another truck and then it stopped on that spot. But unfortunately, because of the truck is not evacuated yet, so another truck from the directions is hitting at the back of the truck and then it pushed this truck into this house and then that truck is also collide with the people's house. So that's why there were two accident happens in one day. So fortunately all the drivers are safe with the minor injuries.
Oke Pak, kira-kira kedepannya ini apa yang akan dilakukan oleh pihak Polres Oku untuk kira-kira meminimalisir dari kejadian yang akan terjadi mungkin ke depannya?
Kedepannya mungkin akan kami tambah rambu-rambu, kami sampaikan ke yang berwenang ataupun ke pemerintah daerah untuk perbanyak rambu-rambu dari arah Morenim sehingga bisa dilihat oleh pengendara bahwa jalur tersebut turunan dan perempatan sehingga bisa minimalisir untuk terjadinya laka lantas.
Okay, so the preventions for this accident to happen next in the future, maybe the police officer and also the authorities of Batu Raja will add more signs, street signs over there in Muara Enim, so that people can see, the driver can see that this is the frequent hits of the accident in the intersection, so they have to be careful in driving. So it is for minimizing the accident in these intersections. So at my back, as you can see, there is the truck, the first truck that had the accident on that spot. And how that this truck can be here? Because the second accident happened because the other truck hit at the back of this truck, so that this truck is pushed to this spot and hits and damage the property of the people near these sections. As you can see, it is still need yet to be evacuated, so that there is no more accident happens due to this truck is still being here. This is the second truck that hits the first truck, and as you can see, the conditions of this truck is wrecking. It's actually, you can imagine that how is it that the driver still survive after this accident. All the window shields already broken, and then the driver was actually pinned in between. So it must be really hurting him, and then that is causing him some injuries. And fortunately, there is no death toll in this accident. So for you, the driver, especially for the long distance driver, please do the recheck of your vehicles in case that this kind of accidents happen. Okay, now let's ask the police officer about what the Batu Raja citizens need to do ya. Pak, kira-kira apa himbauan dari pihak lantas untuk masyarakat di Batu Raja?
Untuk masyarakat Batu Raja, terutama untuk yang punya kendaraan, agar selalu berhati-hati mengingat jalur tersebut jalur padat, perempatan dan turunan.
Ya.
Kami himbau agar selalu mematuhi peraturan lalu lintas dan selalu mengutamakan keselamatan.
Oke.
Yeah, for the Batu Raja citizens, please be careful in driving because this is the place where it is most densely packed with the traffic. So accident is happening any time. So if you not really carefully, you can be the next victim in these sections. So that's all from English Academy News for today, and thank you very much, Mr. Andi, for your time and then interviewing with us. And hopefully there is no more accident in these sections. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, and for you who will be watching for the next English Academy's news update, please stay tuned and then comment in our sections where is the news update that we have to cover, yeah, and then don't forget to subscribe and comment and also share in this channel. Okay, see you next time on the news update.